This is a journey of discovery and charm. We're unveiling a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Eastern Free State of South Africa. Join us on an enchanting collaboration with the Rosendal Country Retreat, a tranquil haven where nature whispers and time slows. But that's not all. Picture this, a wine bar that was once a gas station. Our collaboration with the Service Station Wine Bar showcases a unique space that blends history with sophistication. For an extra dose of wanderlust, explore our Instagram page for up-to-date travel information. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out our Small Town Gems playlist. Let's embark on this journey together, celebrating the allure of the Rosendal Country Retreat and the unexpected tales of the Service Station Wine Bar. It's a small town gem, it's a small town getaway, it's a small town retreat. It's the Rosendal Country Retreat. We're in room number 3. Let's show you around. Let's do a room tour. It's so much more than a room. These units are air conditioned. Every single unit has a king size bed. There's a vanity nook in the corner, open plan and airy, with a neatly tucked away kitchenette. The bathroom itself is self-contained and has a spacious shower.
We've just checked into room number 3 at Rosendal Country Retreat. As you walk in, you have this beautiful private garden. The cottage itself has its fireplace and a lovely lounge area. It's got a king-size bed and all the amenities you need, with the decor done so tastefully. It's fully self-catering. The bathroom is stunning. Honestly, I can't wait to have a lovely shower in that bathroom. The room is fully self-catering with a bar fridge and a 2-plate gas stove. In addition to the king-size bed, there's also a sleeper couch, which is great for children. One person a night, it's 1,045 Rand. For 2 people, it's 1,595 a night. If you have children between 0 and 2 years of age, it's free. From 2 to 12 years of age, it's an extra 250 Rand per child.
How stunning is our room at the Rosendal Country Retreat. We have so much more to show you here. But tonight we're dining at the Service Station Wine Bar, so we're heading out to Rosendal Town. It's literally a 2-minute drive.
Douglas Mason. I'm here at the service station in Rosendal Free State. The service station is a wine bar and restaurant. This is something that came into being quite accidentally, in the sense that I had no previous experience or inclination for running a wine bar, but I think the whole history of South Africa, and certainly here in the Free State, the audacity of amateurism can be rewarded and is certainly possible on a creative level. This was an old building that I had purchased, and it seemed the obvious thing to do to turn it into a wine bar and provide a spot for the town. Rosendal is a creative community, and it is a strong local community. We find in smaller towns, people do come together for common purpose, and that is certainly a long-standing strength of Rosendal. That it is a place where people do work together. The anonymity that is possible in large cities is not possible in a small town. People do need to work together, and that's a fantastic strength. It does mean that there are community bonds and social obligations that are respected. And from that, the character and the authenticity of a small town provides quite a unique experience. And Rosendal has that. Visitors to this town will notice the authenticity of a working farming town that is also friendly and open to visitors. It is also a tourist town on a very small scale, and from that comes the authenticity. This is a place where people do work together. Now, by the time I arrived in Rosendal, it was 2012. The town was already, to some extent, an emerging destination, but at a very small scale, and it certainly moved on from there. And visitors to Rosendal tend to enjoy the fact that it is, at heart, still a working farming town, and that very natural environment is something that I think is central to the visitor experience. It's been a pleasure being here and getting to know my neighbors and putting down roots and giving back to my community. This is a country that's been very good to me, and I'm very happy to have had opportunities to give something back and help create a community that will provide a livelihood for increasing numbers of people. And certainly, I've been blessed and rewarded by having this tableau to work with. So very happy to be in Rosendal. Very happy to have the service station.
The true essence of the Rosendal Country Retreat is really starting to take shape. With our freshly prepared breakfast box received at 9 a.m. sharp this morning, we're heading to the communal lounge. We'll be soaking in the views, spending most of the day in the most relaxing setting.
So we pre-ordered our breakfast box before arrival, and we ordered the vegetarian option. Inside came 2 little mini quiches along with a freshly baked bread, as well as some yogurt and granola, fruit, honey, cheese, jam, everything you need for the perfect breakfast. And what a scrumptious way to start the day. At the Rosendal Country Retreat, you have access to the lounge area with a fireplace, cozy couch to snuggle in on a cold winter's night, as well as some board games and a coffee nook to make freshly ground coffee in the morning. You can soak in the views out on the porch, have a lovely breakfast box there as well. It's the perfect place to come and relax. On your room key, you have the lounge key as well, so you can access it at any time you'd like.
There are so many peaceful relaxation areas at the Rosendal Country Retreat. Nestled in the trees, you can find a variety of outdoor hammocks and outdoor seating areas, and it's a great way to unwind during the day.
What you will find when you come to the Rosendal Country Retreat is #slow living. People come to Rosendal to recharge, breathe. Phrases that's been used is to decompress, and this is the absolute perfect setting for it. Our beautiful blue skies, our mountains, our fresh air is all you need to really come to a place where you can relax and just find yourself again a little bit. We don't interfere too much. We want people to just explore it for what it is.
What an incredibly relaxing day. We're anticipating a gorgeous sunset, and with the backdrop of the Wittenberg Mountains, it's going to be spectacular. There's so much to experience here at the Rosendal Country Retreat, so we've booked the outdoor wood-fired hot tub.
There's a welcome booklet in every room, and it has a whole chapter on mindfulness. And I think one thing that truly resonated with me and encapsulates the entire experience here at Rosendal Country Retreat is this quote that says, "When you move in a fast pace, everything moves in a blur. However, when you slow down, you get to see everything." And I think that truly is the essence of Rosendal Country Retreat. You come here to relax, unwind, feel the slow pace of life, get away from the hustle and bustle. And I truly felt that here. They have yoga mats in each room, so you can take that time to experience that mindfulness, as well as a few steps on how to do it as well. So it's a really wonderful experience, Valtsi.